My passion for music. I understand that in the gospel music or in the Christian circles, people understand singers more than they understand artists. So for me, it's not just about singing, standing before people and projecting my voice, but it's about expressing what you believe in an artistic manner. So I take my time, to put up stage yangu. Zvekudaro. I put in everything. My soul is in there. All my creativity, and I'm also one person, another change. I keep on transforming myself because music is dynamic, society is dynamic. You don't continue doing the same thing every day. You have to embrace change. People have been feeling a lot of things that I can't explain, but well, that's them. What I understand is my music has got the Zim traditional roots. It has always been Zim traditional chimurenga. From Vanogona, Toita Zvedenga, all that is Chikende. I have always borrowed from Zim traditional musicians whom I grew up listening to. I'm talking of Chiwoniso Maraire, Mbuya Stella Chiweshe, Thomas Mapfumo, the late Oliver Mtukudzi. I would always fuse and find my own space in between those genres. So for me, there's no way I'm gonna dance robots when I'm singing Chikende. I mean, it will be like misplaced. So one thing I have managed to do is embrace myself in my wholeness as a Zimbabwean, and being able to stand before God without being ashamed of my identity as a Zimbabwean, because I believe it was God who put Ngoma with us. He put Hosho with us. That's why you saw I have percussionists who are using Hosho, who are using Mbira. And so that's us Zimbabweans. And yes, as very Western is, we can also then borrow and enhance our sound, but it doesn't mean we throw away our originals. That's what I believe, and I am not ashamed of it. I do not apologize for it. I believe in God. I'm a born-again Christian, and I want to worship God as a Zimbabwean. After 24 years of singing Christ, it feels like, it's my identity. I embrace it. I love it. I know that's who I am. There's always new music from me. Always new music. This time, I have another Zimdancehall song, and I'm featuring Hwinza, by the way. So this young man, I hooked up with him on one of his songs, Inonza Amaivangu Alice. I was thinking about my late sister, and it resonated well with me. It said here, ndikangotoa ameno kamkomana kari kuimbaka, And then I came across his song Enga, and then Magumo. And then I came across his interview that he did with DJ Ola. And I understood his journey, where he was coming from. Kwaaiva, nekwaari kuda kuenda. And I said, what part can I play? I can hold this young man's hand and take him where he wants to go, where he is saying he wants to package a socially correct message despite kuti akatangira kupi. And that's the part I've always played for this generation. That's the most, helpful thing that I can do to help generation yevana vangu. If I can influence these young artists I can indirectly influence the content that then gets to my children, to your children. And I know kuti ihondo iyoyo because some people they don't really understand. But kana ndichishanda navo vanava, ndiri kuti inini ndikava influencer. Zvicha influencer nemusic ichasvika kuvana venyu, and it will make Zimbabwe a better community. You can trust me on that? Trust me. Song inonzi igore rangu. It's a hit.